Hello, Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Supreme Riverside, which is located near Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk, Punavde, Pune, and developed by Supreme Universal. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. सुप्रीम रिवरसाइड will be constructed on 15 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers in phase 1. Each tower will be having ground plus 20 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसी के बैक साइड में रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर तथावड़े रोड, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज चौक, पुनावड़े, पुणे. और जो मेरे इन फ्रंट रोड है ये है पुनावले रोड, और राइट हैंड साइड में जो रोड है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे से, और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रोड है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है काड़ेवाड़ी मेन रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाएगी मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे विद इन 850 मीटर्स, डी मार्ट विद इन 2.3 किलोमीटर, एंड ऑल्सो फिनिक्स मॉल ऑफ द मिलेनियम विद इन 4.8 किलोमीटर. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द एमिनिटीज पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. Project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like skywalk bridge, mini theatre, kids play area, senior scout area, gazebo, multi-purpose hall, swimming pool and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Supreme Riverside has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 700 to 800 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 900 to 1200 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was a teaser of Supreme Riverside, which is located near Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk, Punavde, Pune, and developed by Supreme Universal. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.